Hello, we built this fire pit about 6 years ago and I'm going to show you how we did it. First, we started out with digging out the hole where we wanted to put it in and added reclaim first and then sand. We tamped it down and made it level and then started adding the stones. As we added the stones, we continued to check that it was level and that they all met up and fit perfectly. Once the granite stones were all in place, then we inserted the metal fire pit, and there you have it. Our granite fire pit was complete. And here you see it 6 years later and still looking pretty good. The ring has gotten a little rusty, and occasionally we do have to sand it down and spray it with high heat spray paint. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.